CCJ Tech Shorts this week looks at 2 freight marketplaces, a routing service, and more.
Welcome to CCJ's Tech Shorts, your weekly look at technology and trucking. I'm CCJ's tech editor, Angel Coker. Go ahead and subscribe, and let's get started.
Highway, a technology provider that aims to reduce fraud and streamline the digital booking process for freight brokers, has rolled out a secure digital freight exchange built exclusively for verified carriers and vetted brokers. The Trusted Freight Exchange, or TFX, operates on Highway's identity engine and is powered by the market rating, intelligence, payment, and credit capabilities of freight fintech company Triumph. Highway and Triumph have partnered to embed identity verification, compliance, pricing, and payments into a single platform for faster freight transactions. The TFX load board delivers an ecosystem where brokers gain direct access to identity-verified ELD-connected carriers. Carriers access legitimate freight from trusted brokers with no spam, no uncertainty, and no hidden fees, and every transaction is backed by real-time fraud checks, verified rate intelligence, broker credit assurance, and secure financial settlement. NT Logistics, a third-party logistics provider specializing in transportation and supply chain solutions, has unveiled Routing as a Service Plus. Key features include daily route sequencing tailored to changing volumes and constraints, fleet and asset deployment to match current needs, networking analysis to uncover routing inefficiencies, high-cost lanes, and rerouting opportunities, and expert oversight to ensure outputs are practical and actionable. Fleet maintenance and optimization platform Fleetio has expanded its integration with Motive to centralize fuel, maintenance, and telematics data. The solution provides two-way automated data workflows to help eliminate manual tasks, strengthen safety and compliance, extend asset life, and give fleets greater visibility into fuel and maintenance operating costs. This integration introduces 2 new capabilities, including two-way driver vehicle inspection report sync and Motive card fuel sync. With two-way DVIR sync, defect resolutions now sync seamlessly through an automated end-to-end DVIR process to improve compliance while maximizing vehicle and driver uptime. When an issue is resolved in Fleetio, the corresponding DVIR defect in Motive automatically closes, allowing managers to act quickly and prevent unsafe dispatches. With Fuel Sync, every Motive card fuel transaction is automatically imported into Fleetio, giving fleets one source for cost tracking, budgeting, and international fuel tax agreement reporting. By connecting fuel spend with driver behavior and asset health, managers gain new insight into one of their largest expenses. Trimble has welcomed Procter Gamble as the first shipper on its North American freight marketplace. Freight Marketplace connects shippers, brokers, and carriers in a single solution, combining procurement functionalities with the dynamics of a marketplace to enable real-time capacity sourcing and collaboration. Freight Marketplace offers a centralized digital freight procurement platform where carriers and shippers of all sizes can expand their transportation networks. It enables discovery of reliable partners and negotiable competitive rates for strategic lane-level and spot bidding. By automating the bidding process between carriers and shippers, Freight Marketplace provides a single, streamlined, and transparent experience. Freight Marketplace also specializes in tailored mini-bids to streamline single lane for specific contractual periods and precise volume commitments. For added security, Freight Marketplace also features AI-powered verification, including automated checks of carrier identity and insurance details that replace manual processes. McLeod Software has released its latest update, version 25.2, with enhancements across its Loadmaster, PowerBroker, Document Power, and Mpact platforms. Highlights of the Loadmaster and PowerBroker updates were shared in recent week's Tech Shorts videos. This week, we'll focus on the company's updates to Mpact. The Mpact update includes Respond AI, an AI-powered communication automation that prioritizes inbound messages, crafts data-enriched replies, and generates quotes or starts order creation. In addition, Mpact IQ now includes role-based dashboards tailored for finance, sales, operations, and executives. It provides real-time metrics and simplified payment reconciliation, while new filters help pinpoint outstanding balances, track AR performance, and surface unpaid charges.
That's everything from us for now. Be sure to subscribe and hit that bell to catch CCJ's Tech Shorts again next week. Until then, you can read more and sign up for our newsletter at ccjdigital.com. Thanks for watching.